guys, welcome back to the Cash Sisters YouTube channel. We're back like we never left, and I'm in Palm Springs right now, and I wanted to film a good skincare get ready with me and a little bit of my Palm Springs trip. So it's Kalia. I'm Kalia. Okay, so I'm gonna start by brushing my teeth. I'm gonna put you guys this way. So we got things planned today, and I'm really excited. Oh, I got makeup all over my toothbrush. I don't know how this happened. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna use the Cerva Renew CA cleanser for normal, gentle cleansing and exfoliating while softening and soothing the skin. And it has salicylic acid in it, so I like using that for breakouts and to prevent breakouts from happening, because I wear some sort of makeup. So I'm looking right here, it's because I have like a mirror. I like, every time I do like my skincare routine or whatever, and I'm dancing because I'm happy this morning, and because I'm like playing music in my head. Get your face really sudsy. Wash the crust out of your eyes and your lips. Oh, I can't see. I feel like someone's behind me and they're gonna get me. I'm scared. So I'm going to use this toner, salicylic acid acne treatment. And this just make sure I don't break out or handle any other breakouts that I have on my face. And I have like problems like under my chin, so I get under my chin, child. I get under my chin, my lips, forehead, and then everywhere else. This stuff kind of strong though. Ooh. And I get my nose too, because I put like a lot of highlight on my nose, and like it can kind of clog your pores. Nothing really on the cotton pad. My skin not dirty like that. Okay. Okay, what else? Oh, so then now I'm gonna use my essence. It's the Time Revolution Artemisia Treatment Essence. It has mugwort in it, which helps inflammation of the skin. Oh, I might have put way too much. I don't think that this is supposed to foam up. Maybe I didn't wash the cleanser off my face. No, I think I just did way too much. Sorry if you hear people. I'm with family, friends, so they're loud. They don't know how to be quiet in life. This just gives your skin a nice dewy glow. But to add more glow, we're gonna go in with a toner. And this is a rice toner from, it's Korean brand from I'm From, and it says rice toner. And rice is like so good for your skin, so I'm gonna put that all over my face. And my neck. Now it's time for moisturizer. So, which moisturizer am I gonna use? I have the cocoa butter formula one from Palmer's, and then I have this Korean body lotion. You can use it on your face too. This one makes you glowy, so I'm gonna put this on. Oh my god, I got a burp. Okay, moisturizer. Oh yeah, look at that. I love to glow. Do you guys see that? Look at I love to glow. Okay, now the most important step is sunscreen. So you know, this one is for when you're gonna apply makeup, so I'm gonna be using this, and this just gives you like a beautiful glow. It's the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 40 PA+++++. So you know it's gonna really protect your skin from the sun, and I should have shaked it before I opened it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, let me set this down. I'm just gonna put this amount onto my skin. And with this one, you gotta really work it in, because I don't know, I just feel like you gotta really work it in because it comes out in a color. But this also helps you to glow. Hence, glow sunscreen. This one is for when I apply makeup or when I want to glow naturally. Okay, so now I'm going to use another sunscreen, and this is another Korean brand, and it's BIORE UV Watery Essence SPF 50 plus PA+++. So I'm going to shake this up, and I'm going to put a little bit more than I put of the glow screen. Like that. I'm gonna put that much onto my face. And I'm gonna do my neck. Really rub it into your skin, girl. Or boy, whatever you, who's ever watching me. Okay. Okay, I left my chopstick in my purse, but yeah, I'll put my chapstick on. Vaseline, anything you. So I'm gonna be doing my brows, and I have to look in the mirror, so just bear with me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna come back and do my brows. So hold on. I'm gonna do my brows and then I'm gonna come back. is. So you guys, I'm really happy to be spending time with family, and really happy for what we're gonna do today. I think we're gonna do an escape room, so I'm like really happy about that because I've never done one before, and I want to test my smarts. But we're not gonna do a scary one because I don't like to be scared. That's not a fun thing for me. Like, I don't like to be scared, so we're not gonna do a scare escape room. Okay, so eyebrows are done, and now we should apply concealer, but I use foundation as my concealer. Blush, so we're gonna do blush first. No, we're gonna do highlight first. So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match GLOTION. It's a natural glow enhancer, so it's just like a, you know, a highlighter. It's a liquid highlight, and it's the bomb, and it just gives you like this natural, beautiful glow. And I don't use this to blend it out, so I don't know why I have that. I use my beauty blender that I forgot to wet. Okay, so we're gonna wet it with some cold water, and then we're gonna squeeze it and then dry it because we don't want it too wet where I can't. Oh my god, me and my clumsy fingers, clumsy hands. Okay, and we're just gonna blend. You guys see that? Oh, I know you guys see that glow, that golden glow. I'm gonna put more on my nose. They're like chatting it up. They're so loud. So yeah, I'm gonna blend that. If you guys see me looking right here, I'm looking in the mirror. I don't know if I said that before, but we're glowing, we're glowing, we're cute, we're cute, we're cute. Okay, so I might come back in with that again, but we're gonna do blush. We're gonna do blush now. I'm looking for my other blush. Hold on, hold on. Okay, I was looking for this blush, and I was like, where is it? So I'm gonna put this other one down, and I'm gonna use the Black Radiance one. And this is just gonna give me like some color to my face and make me pretty. And I do put some on my nose and on my chin. I don't know why I love putting blush on my chin, but I put blush on my chin, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now I'm gonna use another blush because this one is very glowy and dewy. The other one was just to put color in my face. This one is just to, you know, just to look more better and more glowy. And I don't care if I put a lot of blush on because blush subsides on its own, like big time. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with a more fluffier blush brush and blend that out. And I don't know if you guys know, but this morning I can't talk, so. Okay. Now it's time to put it all together. Oh wait. There's another highlight that I use, and I'm always forgetting to put it on. So this is the Jaclyn Hill highlight and Skylight, and I love this highlight so much, and I'm gonna use it. Okay, so doing highlight. Spray, and this is from the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and this just makes your makeup so glowy. So it gives your skin a radiant glow. I'm just gonna line my lips. And I'm using this Fenty gloss in the shade Cheeky.